Someone told you to watch the VIX, and so you did. The VIX was low, it was calm, it was a quiet day. Then your chart ripped your face off, fast moves, violent reversals, nothing calm about it. So you check the VIX again, still low. And you start to wonder, are you reading the chart wrong? You're not reading it wrong. The VIX is answering a different question than the one you're asking. It was never built for the trade you're taking. Stay with me, by the end you'll know exactly how the VIX is built. You'll know what it throws away, and you'll know what to watch instead. So what is the VIX really? It's one number. It's the market's guess at how much the S&P 500 is going to move. Not today, but over the next 30 days. And say that again, the whole S&P 500, 30 days out, blended into a single number. That's a fine number for a fund holding stocks for a month. It's a great number, actually. But look at what you do. You're trading 0 DTE options that live and die on the same day. On the NASDAQ, not the S&P. So already before any math, you can feel the gap. The VIX is a month. You're trading the next few hours. So here's how the VIX is built. And this is the part that almost nobody explains. It doesn't take one option, it takes a whole ladder of options. Puts below the price, calls above it, and a long strip of them. Then it blends that whole strip into one number, and it weights them so that even the far strikes count. The deep crash puts, the far upside calls, all of it mixed into one number. Then it does one more thing. It stretches that number to a clean 30 days. And to do that, it has to throw out the front week. On purpose. The near dated options. The ones expiring in the next few days. It leaves them out. They are too jumpy. Read that last part again. The VIX deletes the exact week you trade in. Your 0 DTE is the very first thing it removes. Now look at what you do instead. You do not blend the chain into one number. You read the chain, where it is, today's expiration, strike by strike. You keep the ladder. The VIX crushes the ladder into a number. You keep it open so that you can see it. So the VIX gives you one number. How big? On average, for a month. But your day is not decided by how big. It's decided by where. Where's the flip? Above it, dealers pin and fade. Below it, they chase and it runs. Same market, opposite behavior. And a single line decides which. Where are the walls? Where does the size sit that price pauses on? Where's the air, the empty space where nothing stops it? A number can't tell you any of that. A number is flat. It has no where. And your whole session lives in the where. So here's the line to keep. A number tells you how big, a shape tells you where, and you trade the where. The VIX is a number, your day is a shape. That's the whole difference. Real quick, if you're finding this video useful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. It's the easiest way to keep these breakdowns coming. Now back to it. Now the people who make the VIX are not dumb. They saw 0 DTE take over. So in 2023, they built a one-day VIX, a VIX for today. And that's good. That fixes the calendar portion. It finally looks at the front. But it's still one number, and it's still for the whole S&P 500. So it fixed the clock and left everything else. It still can't tell you the where. It still cannot tell you your market. Even the fix proves the point. The problem was never just 30 days. The problem is a number cannot carry a shape. So here's what we do with all that information. Stop asking the market for one number. Stop asking it about a month you will not be in. Ask the only chain that decides your trade. Today's. Read it as a shape. Where is the flip? Where are the walls? Where is the air? That shape is your session, drawn before it happens. The VIX tells the whole market how big the month might be, which is fine. Let it. You're trading the shape over the next few hours. So watch the shape. We trade 0 DTE, not 30, and the shape is the whole edge. So that's the difference. The VIX is one number for a month. We build the shape of your day. If you want that for your own sessions, here's where to get it. Join moonshotflows.net and join our free Discord. We'll see you in the next one.